Eyes are the windows to our soul, and vision, certainly the most important of our senses. It is vital for us to preserve and protect this supreme gift of nature. We at Vision Eye Centers are dedicated to practicing this very noble cause. The centers provide state-of-the-art super specialty eye care services with compassion and empathy to all sections of the population. Excellence with humane touch is the ideal we constantly strive for. The centers have completed nearly a quarter century of distinguished and dedicated service to the nation. Dr. A.K. Grover, Chairman and Padma Shri awardee, established the first center at West Patel Nagar, New Delhi in 1995 after leaving Maulana Azad Medical College as an extremely distinguished faculty and teacher. The center evolved into a multi-speciality eye care practice in 2003 with a vision to provide the very best world-class service under one roof. In 2012, the then Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Mrs. Sheila Dikshit, inaugurated Vision Eye Center at the Siri Fort Road. The centers have established an enviable reputation for excellence by being one of the first in the specialty to be accredited by the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals (NABH) and by the National Board of Examinations (NBE). With an impeccable track record of nearly 25 years and still counting, Vision Eye Centers have seen approximately 300,000 patients and performed over 35,000 surgeries in patients from all over the country and abroad. The centers have a long list of satisfied patients and an enviable reputation amongst both the general public and the professionals.
My journey with Vision Eye Center from last has been really very helpful, and I must say that the entire staff, fraternity has helped me to look after my son eye problem very well.
The centers are privileged to have some of the most qualified and experienced consultant doctors representing all subspecialties of ophthalmology with a well-trained and experienced staff. Vision Eye Centers have laid special emphasis on patient safety and prevention of infection. The centers are equipped with 3 world-class modular operation theatres, each having facility for laminar airflow, HEPA filters and pressure gradients to ensure sterility and utmost patient safety. The centers provide the most advanced and state-of-the-art diagnostic, therapeutic and surgical equipment for patients. With a consistent patient-first approach and emphasis on service, empathy and ethics, the centers have become well known for their quality services in a pleasant ambience with a humane touch. Various services provided by Vision Eye Centers include the state-of-the-art cataract surgery, which uses the most advanced technology available anywhere in the world. The centers also provide world-class services that include blade-free LASIK surgery with femtosecond laser, corneal transplantation including the lamellar corneal surgeries, vitreoretina and uvea services including special care of the patients of diabetic eye disease and eye diseases of prematurely born children, also known as retinopathy of prematurity, glaucoma services, squint services, oculoplastic, orbital and lacrimal surgery, aesthetic oculofacial surgery. A number of oculoplastic surgical procedures are being done exclusively in the centers, and the pioneering work of the centers, including many procedures done for the first time, have received nationwide and international recognition. Vision Eye Centers believe in social responsibility towards the underserved segments of our population to provide free and charitable outpatient and surgical services with regular outreach activities. The centers provide postgraduate teaching in ophthalmology to candidates of the National Board of Examinations and fellowship programs in postdoctoral subspecialty training. 25 years and still counting. Vision Eye Centers pledge their very best to the community. We at the Vision Eye Centers promise to take care of you and your vision by providing the very best always.
Vision Eye Centers are an organization with a quarter century of track record of providing excellent eye care services to the nation. We at the center are committed to providing quality services in the most pleasant ambience with empathy, humane touch and compassion.